Hi there, welcome to a morning yoga flow. If you're tired, stiff, and want to start your day more positively, then this video is for you. You need yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. Having a wall is an advantage. So let's get started. Sit comfortably in any seated posture. Sit right next to the wall or just sit upright. Make yourself comfortable, relaxed, and aligned. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Place your palms over your chest or belly or hands over your knees. Take this time to center yourself and breathe in and out with all the calmness you can have. Let go of all the thoughts and be present with your breath and center yourself, align yourself with your breath before you actually start moving. Take this time as your time to begin your day with all the energy. Firstly, place your hand over the side of your temple and start moving your neck from side to side. Be gentle. Have the other hand on the other side of the temple and start moving your neck with all the awareness and gently. Now, at this moment, inhale, bring your hands over your head. Exhale to chest. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale, back to your chest. As you inhale, raise your right arm to the left side of your body by having a support from the left palm. Create an extension and give a good, nice side stretch. Do the same from the left hand and feel the nice side stretch on the left side. Now inhale, interlock your fingers over your head. As you exhale, bend to your left side. Exhale to center. Again inhale and exhale to right side. And again exhale back, come back to neutral position. Now here, start moving your shoulders. Rotate them by bringing them close to your ear and then bring it down. Make all big circles in and around your shoulder with all the awareness. Now start moving your neck from side to side. Take this time to activate, energize your body in every little and big way so that you have all the energy to start your day. And then continue with just stretching your palms, your wrists, your arms, your shoulder blades, your fingers of your hands, and then exhale to your side, bring it in front of the body, bring in on the clap position, and again exhale, rotate. Now from here, very gently lie over your belly on the yoga mat. Have your elbows immediately down to your shoulders, toes pointed back. Comfortable gaze, palms are aligned and soften over the yoga mat. And look at the one point and feel the chest is opening, shoulders are relaxing, shoulder blades are relaxing, yet having a nicer stretch on the lower back and upper back, and feel the breath. Having active leg at the back is essential, and with exhale, lower down. Bring your palms next to your shoulder, relax and inhale. Hold the comfortable cobra, exhale. Take a breath here and inhale, go a little higher than the last time. Keep your gaze again soften. Shoulders away from the ear, and as you exhale, bring it down. This time as you inhale, go higher and stronger than the last time. More comfortable, more area to breathe, and exhale, relax. And this time inhale, try to get into upward facing dog by lifting knees away from the yoga mat. Be strong. Use your core and arm strength. Hold it up there. Breathe. Breathe nicely. And then exhale. Lower down your body and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now relax in Makarasana, where you place both the forearms together and rest your either side of the temple or forehead over the palms. And let your spine, your lower body feel relaxed. Now, take your hands to the sides of your shoulder and get into a Spider-Man stretch. As you inhale, lift up your upper body. Exhale down. Inhale up, breathe. Exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Now sit over your heels, lower down your hips as much you can. And then from here, sit upright in Dandasana. Extend your legs in front of the body. Sit bones over the yoga mat. You can just warm up your toes forward and backward. Inhale, hands goes up. And as you exhale, grab the big toe or hand over the shin bone. Feel free to bend your knees in Paschimottanasana, forward fold. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale, hands goes up. As you exhale, again, back to the seated forward fold. Breathe mindfully. And then inhale, come up to the neutral position and relax. Now take a moment and fold your right knee. Bring the right toe next to the left knee. Twist to the right side by placing the right arm next to the right hip. Rotate your body and feel the spinal twist. As you exhale, look forward, extend the leg. Inhale, fold the left leg, place it next to the right knee. Left palm goes at the back of the hip, and then breathe in and out. Create the spinal twist, create the awareness, keep your gaze soft, chest open. Inhale back and release the leg. Now from here, come on all fours and gently, as you inhale, lift off your knees and get into a downward facing dog. And then bring the right foot next to the right palm into a higher lizard pose. Bring it back. Now bring the left foot next to the left palm. Breathe in and out. Exhale, bring it back. Get into a downward facing dog and look in between big toes. Breathe in and out and exhale, relax. Now from here, lie down on your back. Gently adjust yourself. Try to keep your spine neutral and relaxed over the yoga mat. Keep it calm, and as you inhale, lift up your hips from the yoga mat into the bridge pose. Feel free to touch the heels. Breathe in and out. And then exhale, lower down your hips. Inhale, lift up. And this time try to go a little stronger than the last time. Breathe and exhale, release. Fold the knees, hug close to your chest. Keep your neck relaxed. Gaze soft. And then gently land your foot back and extend them on the sides of the yoga mat. Make yourself comfortable. And the first and very most important step, to make yourself in peace, with comfort and in relaxation form, whereas you stay very much active with your breathing awareness. Let your body feel relaxed, comfortable, and be in the moment. And if any thought comes in between, do not judge it. Do not think a lot about it, let it pass. And breathe in and out nicely. As you inhale, feel the belly is going up. And as you exhale, you feel the belly is coming down. And tell yourself a big thank you for this morning practice, where you chose yourself before you chose any other chores of your life. You chose your body, which will help you to do better in throughout the day. Also tell yourself what are the nice moments of this practice and what are the things you can work upon tomorrow. It's always an amazing way to start your day with some practice. Promise yourself you will show up more often for yourself, for your body, and your body will thank you in manyfold in return. And let your entire body relax, composed with you, with your breath, and completely centered with your breathing pattern. And just keep showing up every day. You can choose to relax for a little longer, or you can end your practice whenever you feel ready. And if you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye, and have a great day ahead.